You have a brilliant idea for an AI agent. But turning that spark into a complex, structured workflow? It's a drag. What if you could speak your idea into existence, instantly generating the perfect AI blueprint? Let's stop dragging and start building. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. The ClaudeCode Workflow Studio is an amazing visual editor for AI orchestration. But for complex agents, starting from a blank canvas means a painful, manual drag and drop setup. That's where developers lose time and momentum. Today, we're injecting a Python script that acts as a blueprint generator, turning a natural language vibe into a structured workflow, ready for you to refine. This script works with the ClaudeCode Workflow Studio, found at github.com/breaking-break/cc-wf-studio. It's a VS Code extension for designing AI agent orchestrations through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. You can build complex workflows with sub-agents, skills, and logic without code. Our script accelerates this by generating the initial JSON blueprint from a simple description, which you then import into the studio for visual refinement and export. We told our AI to build a Python script that takes a natural language description, like create a document summarizer with a translation option, and prompts Claude to generate the full JSON workflow for CCWF Studio. It needs to handle nodes, edges, and even provide instructions on how to use the output. Subscribe to get the full vibe prompt that made this possible. First, we import our libraries and set up the configuration. We define the output directory for our workflows and a simple helper function to automatically position the nodes on the visual grid. This handles all the initial setup. Next, the !Claude_API_ function. Here we simulate the API call to Claude. For this demo, it returns a perfectly structured JSON for a document processing workflow, letting us test our script without live API costs. The core logic is in !generate_workflow_JSON . It builds a detailed system prompt that teaches Claude how to generate the JSON, defining node types and rules. It then sends this prompt along with the user's request to the API. The !save_workflow_JSON function handles the output. It creates the correct directory, saves the generated JSON file, and then prints clear, step-by-step instructions on how to use the new blueprint in the VS Code extension. Finally, our !main function uses !argparse to create a command line interface. It takes the user's workflow description, orchestrates the entire process, and makes our blueprint generator ready to run from the terminal. And there it is. We've transformed workflow creation from a tedious manual task into an act of pure description. With one Python script, you can now vibe code your most complex AI agent ideas directly into a structured blueprint, ready for immediate refinement. Stop dragging nodes. Start conducting your AI orchestra. Did you vibe code smarter today?